What if I told you that some vegetables in your fridge right now can grow back for free? No seeds, no garden, no experience needed, and one of them starts regrowing in just 5 days. Food prices keep rising, but many vegetables you already buy can regrow from simple kitchen scraps. That means less spending each month, less waste, and fresh greens on demand. You don't need a garden, only a small space and sunlight. Anyone can do this. Let me show you the 7 easiest vegetables you can regrow at home. Let's start with number 7, green onions, also called scallions. And this is one of the easiest vegetables you can regrow at home. When you buy a bunch, don't throw away the white root base. That small bottom section is all you need. Simply place the roots in a glass with a little shallow water, just enough to cover the roots but not the whole stem. Put the glass near a bright window where it gets natural light during the day. Within 3 to 5 days, you'll notice fresh green shoots growing from the top. One common mistake is submerging the entire stem, which can cause it to rot, so keep most of it above water. The best part is that from one bunch, you can keep harvesting again and again, saving money every time you cook. If you think that's easy, this next vegetable regrows from something most people throw away instantly. Let's move to number 6, romaine lettuce. And this one surprises many people because it regrows from the part most households throw away. When you finish a head of romaine, keep the bottom base instead of tossing it. Place that base in a shallow dish with a little water, making sure only the bottom touches the water. Set it somewhere with indirect sunlight, like near a bright window but not under harsh direct sun. After about a week, you'll start to see new leaves forming from the center. Now, one important thing to remember is that it won't grow a full supermarket-sized head in water alone, so don't expect that result. Instead, you'll get fresh, tender leaves you can snip for salads or sandwiches. That means free greens from something you almost wasted. And if you think that's useful, this next vegetable regrows even thicker and stronger. Let's move to number 5, celery, and this one regrows faster than most people expect. When you finish a bunch of celery, keep the bottom core instead of throwing it away. Place that base in a shallow bowl with a little water, making sure the cut side faces up. Keep it in bright light near a window so it gets enough energy to regrow. Within 5 to 7 days, you'll notice small green shoots forming in the center, which means it's starting to grow again. After that, you can move it into soil if you want full stalk growth. One mistake many people make is forgetting to change the water, which makes it cloudy and can slow growth or cause rot. The best part is that every bunch you buy can turn into another plant, meaning you keep getting more celery without paying for it again. But here's something most people don't know: many vegetables regrow leaves in water, but they only grow fully when moved to soil. The number 4 is garlic, and this one is incredibly simple to regrow at home. All you need is a single garlic clove, preferably one that's firm and healthy. Instead of tossing it in the kitchen, plant that clove directly into soil with the pointed tip facing upward. Place the pot somewhere that gets full sun, like a bright balcony or sunny window. Within about a week, you'll see green shoots pushing up through the soil, showing that it's growing. One common mistake people make is overwatering, which can cause the clove to rot before it grows, so keep the soil slightly moist, not soaked. The great thing about garlic is that you can harvest the fresh greens for cooking, or let it mature into full bulbs over time. That means one clove can turn into many more. And the next one is even better: it grows from a tiny leftover piece. Let's move to number 3, ginger. And this one is perfect because it regrows from a tiny leftover piece you might already have in your kitchen. All you need is a small chunk of ginger that has a visible growth bud, sometimes called an eye. Instead of using the whole root, save that piece and plant it shallowly in soil, with the bud facing upward. Keep it in a warm place with indirect light, since ginger prefers gentle warmth rather than harsh direct sun. After about 2 to 3 weeks, you'll start to see green shoots pushing up from the soil, showing that new growth has begun. One mistake many beginners make is burying the ginger too deep, which slows sprouting and can cause rot. Ginger is often pricey in stores, but once you grow it at home, you can keep harvesting from the same plant and save money every season. Let's move to number 2, potatoes, and this one can turn a single leftover potato into a whole harvest. If you notice small sprouts or eyes forming on a potato in your kitchen, don't throw it away. Instead, cut the potato into chunks, making sure each piece has at least one eye. Before planting, let the cut pieces sit out for a day so the surface dries slightly, which helps prevent rot in the soil. Then plant them in soil in a spot that gets full sun during the day. Within 1 to 2 weeks, you'll start to see green shoots breaking through the soil. One common mistake is planting freshly cut pieces immediately, which often leads to rotting instead of growing. The amazing part is that one potato can grow into multiple new potatoes underground. But the number 1 vegetable is the easiest of all, and almost nobody realizes they're already regrowing it. Let's move to number 1, carrot tops, and this is the easiest vegetable to regrow because it works from something people almost always throw away. When you cut a carrot, keep the top inch instead of tossing it in the bin. Place that top in a shallow dish with a little water, or plant it lightly in soil if you prefer. Set it near a bright window so it gets plenty of light during the day. Within just a few days, you'll notice fresh green leaves starting to grow from the center. One mistake to avoid is fully submerging the top in water, which can cause it to rot rather than grow. While it won't regrow a full carrot root, those greens are edible and great for garnishes, soups, and salads. That means you get extra food from something you nearly wasted. You were about to throw this away, and it can grow food instead. Before you start regrowing your vegetables, here are 3 simple tips that can speed up growth and improve results. First, change the water every 2 days because fresh water prevents bacteria and keeps roots healthy. Second, begin with indirect sunlight, since gentle light helps new growth form without stressing the plant. Once strong roots appear, move the plant into soil where it can absorb more nutrients and grow faster. These small adjustments make a big difference and help your scraps turn into productive plants much sooner. Follow these tips consistently, and you'll see stronger leaves, quicker growth, and better harvests. Before you go, I want to hear from you. Which vegetable surprised you the most, and which one are you planning to try first at home? Tell me in the comments below. Your answers help others learn too, and they also help this video reach more people who want to grow food easily. So remember, many vegetables you already buy can regrow from simple scraps. That means less waste, more food, and real savings over time. It works in small homes, apartments, or anywhere with light, and anyone can start today. If you want more videos on growing food at home, subscribe, and I'll show you even easier plants you can grow without a garden.